All right, easy back. You're clear on this side. Hold it right there. Okay, let's get the doors open.
I've updated the thaw schedule for the plasma. Tapping here confirms the inventory is aligned with the new timeline.
The cold chain integrity is confirmed. We had a slight fluctuation here, but it stayed within the acceptable range.
Hey, is rope 4 ready?
Almost. Just finishing the wrap on this one.
Watch the left side, bring it back slowly.
Looks good. All right, strap it in.
Got it secured?
Everything looks good to go. Can I get your signature right here?
Sure thing. Got it. Thanks. I appreciate the quick delivery.
Golden brown color. That's the standard we need to maintain.
So that covers the critical control points for today. Any questions on the updated logs before submission?
No, looks straightforward.
The correct order is crucial. Hairnets first, followed by the protective apron. Finish by
Everything is loaded. Just need your signature here for the 2 bins.
Perfect. And here is your copy for the transfer.
This valve right here is your first critical control point. If the pressure exceeds 50 psi, the whole line shuts down automatically.
And where do we log that data?
Let's get this done quickly. Maria Rodriguez.
I am here.
Jorge Garcia.
This invoice on page 42 is missing the corresponding purchase order. Can you explain why?
Yes, that was a rush order.
Make sure that oldest pallet goes out first. Check the date on the next one.
If we look at the process steps here,
The delay starts at the intake. But what's causing the intake bottleneck?
it's this right here.
Everything's stabilized around 0400, but keep an eye on the pressure valve readings here.
Okay, so the fluctuation matches the historical data.
Got it.
Make sure these are logged before they hit the floor.
Got it. Moving the next one now.
Shelves 4 and 5 are clear.
Here are the meal boxes you ordered. We think you'll really enjoy the selection this week.
Right there.
Looks good.
Nice work, everyone. It's perfectly straight.
From inbound to processing, frying, and finally packaging, our efficient team ensures the highest quality product is dispatched on time.